PDP. Power. Power. EdoElection. Please, can all the governors come here? Your Excellencies, the chairman of our party, the former vice president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our host, I hope our host is here.
Let me stand by chairman.
We want to show Nigeria that we are one as Governors Forum. There is no division, no rancor between us. And one man cannot be stronger than all of us. They are doing 419. That some of us are going to APC. They are lying. It is a solid party. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my job is done. I just want to assure you, Governor, and our elder brother, the eldest governor that is leading the Governors Forum, a resource person par excellence, Governor Obaseki. We are all with you. We are together, we are unified. There is no division in the Governors Forum. And we are not pompous or proud. We are not arrogant. We are not joining issues with ignorant people. We are going to use the hindsight of knowledge and strategy and tact to be able to conquer. But all of us will be here in Edo.
Yes,
you have not seen the area of governors in any state. That is the manifestation of the respect the governors have for you. You are a cradle of civilization. You are warriors. Politics today is not only persuasion, it's assertion. You have to assert yourself.
Exactly.
And we will help you to do with all power and reticence by the grace of God.
Amen.
We thank you for your support for our elder brother, Governor Obaseki, and the gentleman that is coming that cannot be compared with the other side. We wish all of us victory, and we will all be here on the election day.